Now, dear students, next content in aromatic hydrocarbons or aromatic compounds is structure of benzene. Right? Benzene shows substitution reaction or displacement reaction. Right? On halogenation of benzene, in the presence of bromine, benzene gives bromobenzene. Only mono substituted product. One hydrogen of benzene is replaced by bromine in bromination of benzene, right? On further bromination, then di substitution occurs. One more hydrogen atom is replaced by bromine atom, right? This is di substituted product. When only one hydrogen is displaced, then derivative is mono substituted derivative, and when two hydrogen atoms are displaced by any functional group, then derivative is called di-substituted derivative. Okay children? These structures are showing di-substituted derivative of benzene. Dibromobenzene, dibromobenzene. Each one is showing dibromo or ortho-dibromobenzene. Right? Then what is the difference between structure 1 and structure 2? Children, in structure 1, single bond is present between carbon and carbon atoms, where bromine atoms are attached. In structure 2, double bond is present between carbon and carbon atoms, or between first and second carbon atoms, where bromine atoms are attached. Right? On the basis of this type of arrangement, two isomers are possible. Two isomers of ortho-dibromobenzene. But benzene gives only one dibromobenzene. Only one product of ortho-dibromobenzene, not two different products. Right? Then on the basis of nature of final product, carefully suggested this type of arrangement. This type of arrangement in benzene structure. This type means oscillation of pi electrons, pi bonds, conversion of double bond into single bond in forward direction and in backward direction, single to double bond. Right? In structure 1, between first and second carbon atom, double bond is present. In second structure, between same carbon atoms, 1 and 2, single bond is present. And in the backward direction, this second half-headed arrow is showing conversion of single bond character into double bond character. Right? Then only on the basis of this one isomer is possible. Right? And true structure of benzene is shown by loop of electron, by circle of electron like this one. Because this is cyclic structure, fast interconversion between 1 and 2 structures. This is showing loop of electron. Okay children? In this manner, dibromobenzene exists only in one structural form. Right? Children, although in benzene double bonds and single bonds are present. Right? Single bonded hydrocarbon, it means alkanes, always gives substitution reaction. Double bonded hydrocarbon like alkenes always give addition reactions in different conditions. Right? But benzene is stable structure. Benzene forms a stable structure or shows stability like alkanes, although 3 double bonds are present. 3 pi bonds are present. Benzene gives substitution reaction or displacement reaction, not addition reaction. Right? What is the reason? Due to most stability of benzene structure. And what is the cause of stability of benzene structure? Due to resonance in it. These are Capulli structures. Who suggested this type of arrangement? Capulli. Right? Capulli is structure for benzene molecule or benzene ring. Right? Capulli structure 1, Capulli structure 2. Right? But resonance hybrid is shown by loop of electron. Right? Capillary structure fails To explain substitution reaction of benzene like alkenes, addition reaction in drastic conditions like alkenes. Benzene gives two types of reactions, displacement reaction or substitution reactions like alkanes, like saturated hydrocarbons, and addition reaction also, but in drastic conditions, in specific conditions like alkenes. Right? What is the reason? Due to stability. Due to stability in benzene. Okay, children? But these are calculus structures. Resonance hybrid is shown by loop of electron.